I'm picking some wild dandelion leaves for my nourishing green smoothie. This bitter plant medicine supports liver detox, which naturally eases migraines, helps support your hormones. Got my dandelion and my kale from the garden and doing a little bit of earthing, grounding before I go in. So my mornings used to start with migraine. My head felt heavy. My hormones were all over the place. And I honestly thought smoothies were making it worse. Turns out the one that I was buying from the shop was making it all wrong. See, the smoothies that we buy from the shop are loaded with sugar and more fruits than vegetables, and it can spike your blood sugar level. So today I'm showing you a hormone supportive, migraine friendly green smoothie that I use during ovulation time only. And here is why it matters. Most smoothies are loaded with 3 or 4 fruits, which can spike your blood sugar, stress your nervous system, and trigger migraines. This one is different. I use celery for hydration and minerals, avocado for hormone-friendly fats, lemon juice to support digestion, and just use 1 banana, enough to taste the natural sweetness without the sugar roller coaster. This smoothie feeds your gut microbiome, supports your liver, and stabilizes blood sugar. All key if you're dealing with migraines, mood swings, or hormone issues. I only drink this during my ovulation phase when digestion slows and my body needs lighter cleansing foods. It helps me feel clearer, more stable, and more in sync with my cycle. If you're stuck in the cycle of inflammation, bloating, and headaches, start here. 1 smoothie, 1 phase, big difference. Remember, your health is in your hands, and the best part is this is free medicine growing in your garden or local wild spaces. You don't need fancy powders or superfoods, just real herbs, real greens, a little bit of guidance. In my Soulful Cookery course, I share simple healing recipes using everyday herbs and spices to cleanse, nourish, and support your hormones, digestion, and energy. This is about getting back to basics and back to your body's wisdom. If this smoothie feels like something your body needs, drop me a comment or ask me a question below. I'm here to help you reconnect with food as medicine, 1 soulful step at a time. Eating grounding food like dandelion will support your hormones, gut health, and nervous system. You will learn how to eat in rhythm with your cycle and how to use food to regulate inflammation and your body to heal.